The 15th Annual Hoodoo Heritage Festival brings you another dynamic presenter, Reverend Jon Saint Germain.
Hi, my friends. I'm the Reverend Jon Saint Germain of Divine Harmony Spiritual Church in Knoxville, Tennessee. At the 15th Annual Hoodoo Heritage Festival, I will be teaching my rare and never before seen Matchbox Spells workshop, where you will be able to have a hands-on tutorial in how to do several Matchbox spells, including prosperity spells, love spells, luck spells, and a top secret divination method. So would you join me there August 13th and 14th at the Hoodoo Heritage Festival? Tickets are still available. Hey, this is good stuff. See you there.
We'll see you there.